Want to sleep more deeply, relax better, and wake up refreshed without distractions all night? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Soundcore Sleep A20 Wireless Earbuds, designed for better sleep with 3 times stronger noise blocking, using twin seal ear tips, pressureless ultralight comfort, and soft, gentle materials. You can also curate your own sleep playlist with up to 14 hours of non-stop quiet for deep, uninterrupted rest all night long. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Soundcore Sleep A20 Wireless Earbuds, charging case, extra ear tips, USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable, user manual and quick start guide. Product features. These earbuds use advanced twin seal ear tips to create a secure fit that dramatically reduces outside noise. Whether it's snoring, traffic, or household sounds, the enhanced noise blocking helps create a quiet sleep environment so you can fall asleep faster and stay undisturbed throughout the night. Built specifically for sleep, the Sleep A20 earbuds are extremely lightweight and ergonomically designed to avoid any ear pressure. Even if you sleep on your side, the soft and flexible build ensures maximum comfort, making them feel almost invisible while you rest. With the ability to curate your own sleep sounds, you can choose calming audio, white noise, or relaxing music tailored to your preferences. This feature helps create a personalized sleep atmosphere, reducing stress and helping your mind unwind more easily. Designed for all-night performance, these earbuds offer up to 14 hours of continuous battery life in sleep mode. That means you can enjoy uninterrupted rest from bedtime to morning without worrying about charging or battery interruptions. Technical specifications. How to wear. Remove the translucent protective film covering the charging pins before first use. Then choose your preferred ear tips, sealed for noise blocking or breathable for comfort, and ear wings from the available sizes. Make sure the ear tips are fully aligned and properly fitted onto the nozzle. Don't just press them directly. Attach the ear wings carefully, ensuring the hole edge aligns with the charging pin protrusion and does not cover it. Rotate the earbuds slightly while placing them in your ears so they fit snugly in your ear canal. The default M size may work, but change sizes if needed for better comfort, especially for side sleeping. Fine-tune the fit so they stay comfortable and stable while lying down. If needed, switch to a different tip or wing size for better sealing or comfort. When placing them back in the case, ensure the ear tips face forward and the charging pins face downward for proper charging. How to pair? Begin by downloading the Soundcore app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. This app is essential for accessing full functionality, including sleep sound controls, customization options, and future firmware updates. Once installed, open the app and allow any required permissions for a smooth setup experience. Open the charging case and take out the earbuds. They will automatically enter pairing mode. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Then look for the earbuds in the available device list. You can also initiate pairing directly through the Soundcore app for a more guided and stable connection process. Follow the step-by-step instructions shown in the app to finalize the connection. After pairing, you can personalize your experience by adjusting sleep sounds, volume levels, touch controls, and other settings. This ensures the earbuds are fully optimized for your comfort and sleep preferences. How to charge. To charge your earbuds, plug the USB Type-C cable into the charging port located on the bottom of the case. Connect the other end to a power source, such as a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. Once connected, the LED indicator on the case will light up to show that charging has started. Keep the case on a stable surface while charging and allow it to fully charge for maximum battery performance. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.